to think about the sounds that we are hearing in this book, that Bear hears and that his friends hear. So, let's see. What is this called? Spine. This is the spine, yeah. What is this? The back, the front. What is the title again? No, what is the title of the book? Bear on snores. That's very good, David. Bear snores on. Okay, Asher and Fernando, can you hear me okay? Toby, can you hear me okay? Okay, Zoe, can you hear me okay? Okay, please turn around. Okay, so let's see, why is Bear snoring?
Because he's sleepy.
Let's read the story and we're going to find out. Ready? In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear.
A grizzly.
Turning the page, Zoe, Asher, Fernando, can you hear me? Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Okay, there are 3 noises, I think, on this page. The first one, it says, the cold winds howl. Jalen, what does a cold wind sound like? What do you think? See if you can make the noise. Nikki, can you do it? Whoosh. Ooh, that does sound like a cold wind, yeah. Okay, Dagan, what does a night sound growling sound like? Ooh, that's good. That's really good. Okay, now, what does it sound like when a bear snores?
Sleepy.
Yeah, but what does it sound like? What kind of noise? There you go, Ziad. Yeah, I bet a bear snores really loud. Show him again. Go ahead. Whoa. That was good. Okay, here we go. Zoe, my friends can't hear. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Catalina, what do you think a mouse sounds like? When he's an itty-bitty mouse and he does pitter-patter and tiptoe, what does he sound like? Can you do it? Can you make a noise? Okay, you guys, this is a quiet sound and I need to hear. Ooh, he's a little squeaky mouse. That's good. Mouse squeaks. Too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs. Okay, you guys, I cannot even hear myself reading the story. Dagan, if you would like to pick a different spot away from him, that would be okay. Jalen, may I have that, please? Catalina, sit up, please. Zoe, come over here. I need you to pay attention. Riker. Okay, I'm going to try and read one more time. And if I can't hear myself, that means you guys can't hear me and we're going to have to be all done with the story. Please turn around and listen. Okay. Mouse squeaks. Too damp, too dark. Oh, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. A spark is when, I don't know if you guys have all seen a campfire, but the spark is the very first little flicker of fire whenever you build a fire to keep warm. It's like a spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Okay, everybody, I want to hear everybody snoring. and they brew black tea. Fernando, what does popcorn sound like when you're making popcorn? What does it sound like? No, Fernando. Pop, pop, yeah. Okay, listen. Here's another one. Here's another sound. Now stop. Okay. Mouse sits, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Okay, wait. I would like Cynthia. What does a wee slurp sound like? Yeah, I think so. That's good. A badger scuttles by. He sniffs at the air. Did he use his eyes to sniff?
No.
Did he use his mouth to sniff?
No.
What did he use?
No.
His nose, that's right. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in. Ooh, sounds like they're going to have a little party. They nibble and they munch with a chew, a chomp, and a crunch. But the bear snores on. What does a crunch sound like? Yeah, that's kind of like chomp and crunch. Yeah, that's right. That's good. And when the bear snores, what does it sound like? Yeah. Okay, now stop. Okay, stop, Toby. Stop. Okay. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Let's see if we can count how many animals are in here now. Help me.
2, 4.
No, Isaac, I know you know a lot more than they do, but I need you to do what they're doing. Okay, ready? 7 animals around that campfire. Okay, they tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on.
But I see a bear right there.
He's sleeping though. I know, but Dagan, I didn't call you up here. If I called you up here, everybody wants to come. You need to sit. On your bottom, please. Oh, I see that. I see that. Okay. In a cave in the woods, Christina and Logan, I need you to go see Miss Carrie over there. Carrie, they need to have a seat. Or do something at the table. Yeah. Okay.
Sit.
In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. I wonder how that bear is able to sleep with all that noise going on.
Right here.
Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew.
Turn around.
Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Ooh. We're going to predict. Let's see if we can predict. If
No.
some pepper goes in the bear's nose, what do you think is going to happen?
He's gonna sneeze. Achoo!
You think so? Ooh. Let's find out. Let's find out. That's a really good guess. Let's find out. Achoo! You're right, you guys. That was great. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes.
Is he gonna wake up?
Yeah, I think he's awake. I think they are, what are they? What kind of?
Frozen.
They're frozen, yeah. They're frozen because they're... And the bear wakes up.
He was mad.
Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. groans. And the bear blubbers on. Do you know what blubber means? Yeah. Okay, everybody make the sound of a blubbering bear. Very good. Okay. Mouse squeaks. Don't fret. He says, don't fret. Ziad, what does mouse sound like?
Listen.
Yeah. He says, don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see. We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. Go to the table. Go to the table.
Come here, Nikki. I need somebody to sit by me.
When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. I got another question. Boy, this book makes me have lots of questions.
Come on, Nikki.
What other kind of animal gobbles? What's a different animal besides the bear? What do you think, Dagan? We've been singing a song lately about an animal that gobbles. Zoe? Yes, Mr. Turkey gobbles, huh? Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, let me see here. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep anymore, but his friends snore on. Now, what do you think it sounds like when you have 7 animals snoring? Everybody make a snoring sound again. That's probably what it sounds like inside Bear's cave in the morning. The end. Okay, raise your hand if you like this book. Raise your hand if you think we should read this book again later today. I think we should read it again in the afternoon. Yeah, I like this book. Okay, guys, so let me tell you about centers. This is what's going to happen.